see it.
Go orders.
Look, there's a menu right here. Burgers. Benedict Cumberhash. Oh my goodness. We got a Frito pie burger. I'm going with a couple hot and probably a drink.
Parmesan sweet potato. Just grab a basket, okay?
Okay, this is what the place looks like. Look at this. They serve the drinks in mason jars. How nice. Refreshing on a hot day. What do you think of your sandwich so far, Lise?
Pretty good. A little hard to eat because it's big and crunchy, but it tastes good.
How about the fries?
They're all right.
The sandwich is getting hotter the more I eat it, but it tastes pretty good. The fries are awkward because it's more spongy. I accidentally put sriracha ketchup. I thought it was regular ketchup. I put it over here. It's hot too. It's pretty good, but I missed out. That's why there's 2 bottles of ketchup. But my sandwich, these sandwiches are big. Good. All right. I'm at the end of the journey here. This will be my last bite or two.
I tell you what, I wish I would have got that summer walnut salad, pear and walnut salad now.
It sounds good.
Really good.
We just got on it.
Summer salad with red pears, goat cheese, red onions, grape tomatoes, chopped walnuts, house-made crostinis with lemon blackberry vinaigrette.
I know, it sounds so good. What's the price of that? $12 bucks?
$10.99.